Right now, these ultra-realistic cycling POV videos are exploding across Instagram and TikTok. One creator built a page with millions of followers using nothing but this style of content, and some clips are pulling in tens of millions of views. But here's the crazy part. I recreated the same style entirely with AI in less than 2 minutes, without paying for anything. So if you want to make cinematic bike POV videos that look insanely immersive, here's the exact workflow. First, open ChatGPT and head to the Explore GPT section. Search for Cycling POV Creator and open one of the generators. Start the tool, and within seconds it gives you multiple cycling route ideas, everything from rainy city rides to neon night streets and mountain downhill routes. Pick the concept you like most, or type your own custom route idea. Once you choose, the AI instantly generates two things for you: a detailed image prompt, a cinematic animation prompt. Now copy the image prompt and open Google Flow. Switch to image generation mode, paste the prompt, and generate your visuals. After a few seconds, you'll have several hyper-realistic POV frames ready to use. Then open YouTube, tap the plus icon at the bottom, and select the image to video option. Upload the image you just created. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the video animation prompt. Paste the prompt into the text box, start the generation, and within seconds your AI cycling POV video will be fully animated and ready to upload. That's literally it. In less than 2 minutes, you now have a smooth AI-generated cycling POV video that looks ready for Reels, Shorts, or TikTok. Follow for more AI content tutorials, and save this so you can try it yourself later.